Is there anything more peaceful than watching chubby, adorable lambs nibbling on fresh green grass? But have you ever wondered how these fluffy little creatures make the journey from the pasture to becoming the delicious lamb on your plate? In this video, we'll guide you through the fascinating process of raising lambs, from their first steps to the final stages. If you're a fan of lamb or just curious to learn more, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel before we jump in. Sheep are members of the order Artiodactyla, the even-toed ungulates. Sheep's domestication date is estimated to fall between 11,000 and 9,000 BC in Mesopotamia, and possibly around 7,000 BC in Mehergar in the Indus Valley. In antiquity, symbolism involving sheep cropped up in religions in the ancient Near East, the Mid East, and the Mediterranean area. In ancient Egyptian religion, the ram was the symbol of several gods: Num, Heshaf, and Amun. Sheep husbandry spread quickly in Europe. Excavations show that in about 6,000 BC, during the Neolithic period of prehistory, the Castelnovian people were among the first in Europe to keep domestic sheep. Sheep continue to be important for wool and meat today, and are also occasionally raised for pelts, as dairy animals, or as model organisms for science. Selecting the right sheep breed is a crucial step that determines the success of sheep farming. Breeds like Dorper, Texel, and Suffolk excel in rapid growth and high meat yield, making them ideal for quality meat production. Sheep breeding typically occurs in late spring or early summer, depending on the breed, climate. Ewes are pregnant for about 5 months. Warm weather and abundant food during this period helps ewes get enough nutrition to carry and nurse their lambs. This timing allows lambs to grow strong before winter, increasing their chances of survival. From 10 to 20 days old, lambs begin to be separated from their mothers and may learn to eat more concentrated feed and young grass. During this stage, the ewes are carefully nurtured, ensuring they receive abundant nutrition and a safe environment to raise healthy lambs. Their diet, rich in fresh grass and essential minerals, helps boost the immunity of both the mother and the lambs. Spray marking and tagging sheep are essential methods for effective flock management, enabling easy identification and classification. This will help farmers in quick identification, aiding in tasks like separating flocks, health checks. Ear tagging or attaching identification tags is mandatory in many countries to ensure proper livestock management, disease control, and accurate product traceability. Although the practice of docking sheep's tails has been controversial, Within just a few months, lambs enter maturity and their thick, soft wool begins to form. The hair harvesting journey begins in spring or early summer when the sheep's thick coats are fully developed. Skilled workers use professional shearing tools, such as electric shears or specialized scissors, to safely remove the fleas without causing any harm to the sheep. The sheep are then carefully cared for to aid in the growth of new hair. Sheep wool is one of the earliest materials humans used to create fabrics, marking a significant milestone in the history of civilization. Sheep wool not only enhanced the warmth and durability of garments, but also ushered in the new era for the textile industry. Sheep are typically harvested for meat when they reach 6 to 12 months of age. At this stage, the sheep's meat will be one of the best quality, tender and lean. After being killed and bled, the sheep's skin is carefully peeled off, ensuring that the meat is not damaged. Next, the sheep's belly is opened to remove the internal organs. Their legs will also be cut off, and once completely clean, they will be transferred to the trimming area to be divided into sections.
Smaller parts such as ribs, shoulder, hump, thigh, according to market requirements. This process is often performed by automatic cutting machines and industrial lines, creating meat and even meat products. Will remove excess fat, tendons, and bones from the lamb by hand. The lamb minerals. The fat in lamb is mainly unsaturated fat, good for the heart. They are often processed